credentials only. So can I have a bid for 20 please for Nehal? Nehal, a bid of 20 is all I need to get us started. Sudhakar, Fearless Falcons, wait, Fearless Fighters, sorry. Falcons or not Fearless Falcons. But Fearless Fighters with a bid of 20 for Sudhakar. Nehal, sorry, for Nehal. Nehal, we have 20. We have 20 on the board. I'm going to sell it to Sudhakar if I see no more bids. 30 for Nehal. 30 for Nehal Falcons. 30 for Nehal Falcons. 30 for Nehal Falcons going once. 30 for Nehal Falcons going twice. 40 with the Fearless Fighters. 40 with the Fearless Fighters for Nehal. 50 with the Falcons. 50 with the Falcons. 50 with the Falcons. This keeps going up and up and up. 50 with the Falcons going once. 50 with the Falcons going twice. Are we all very short? 60 with the Fearless Fighters. Good. Falcons with 70. Falcons have a lot of money in the bank. Falcons with 70. Falcons going once. Going twice. I see no more hands on their pedals, so I'm going to sell it to the Falcons for 70. Nehal going to go Falcons for 70. Nehal to Falcons for 70. While we get the next player, I'm just going to write down that date. Vijay Dukanam, the hard-hitting all-rounder who bowls a heavy ball and can prove to be the match winner on any given day for any team. The base price is quite low, so I'm expecting this to go hard and long. Let's start with 20 on the table and let's get this started real fast. 20 on the table, please. Please boys, let's get us started with 20. 20 on the table, fast, yes. 1, yeah, 20 with Sudhakar. 30 with Rachan. 40 with Sudhakar. 50 with Rachan. 60 with Sudhakar, expecting that. 70 with Rachan. 80 with Sudhakar. 90 with Rachan. 100 with Sudhakar. 100 with Sudhakar. 100 is what we're looking for. 100 is what we got. 100 for Vijay Dukanam. Fearless Fighters, fighting fearlessly for Vijay Dukanam with 100 points on the table for this player. Going once, going twice. 120, 140, 160. What were we waiting for, lads? What were we waiting for? 160. We have 160 on the table for Vijay Dukanam. Vijay Dukanam going once. Vijay Dukanam going twice for 160, and it's with the Falcons, I believe. 160 with the Falcons. Vijay Dukanam, I see no more hands on the pedals. I'm going to sell Vijay Dukanam at 160 to the Falcons. Sold. Vijay Dukanam to the Falcons for 160. Right? The next one on the board is Srinath Sridharan, opening batsman, left-handed. He provides a bit of diversity, and he's a handy keeper as well. Can roll his arm over if needed for the team. So an all-round package. We're only selling all-round packages here today. Yeah. We start at 20. We start at 20 for very own Srinath Sridharan. Go get a second name. I'm going to go to Srinath for the rest of the talk. Srinath, we're looking at 20 for Srinath. We have 20 for Srinath. All players will be sold. 20. Sudhakar. Fearless Fighters, 20. Going once. Srinath going twice. I can hear a lot of chip packets. I'm very hungry, so keep it quiet. Rachan. Falcons, 30. Falcons, 30. I understand Falcons strategy here. It's very nice. 30 for Srinath. 30 for Srinath. Do you have any more bids? Any more bids? Are we all very sure now? 30 going once. Oh, 40. Sudhakar is desperate to get this player. He's going fearlessly for it. Sorry, too many puns with Fearless Fighters. Right? So we're going once at 40 for Srinath. We're going twice for 40 for Srinath. And we are selling Srinath to the Fearless Fighters for a 40. 40. Thank you. up is Ravi Shukla. This week he's playing for the second team. He's played for the fourth, the third, and this week he's playing for the seconds. That should tell you something about his pedigree. Kind of player he is, the kind of team man he is. Left arm, medium, handy batter. At the end of the innings, he can get you quite a few runs and applies himself overall in the field of very good fielder as well. We have Ravi Shukla for 20. We'll start the bidding now for Ravi Shukla at 20. Ravi Shukla at 20. I saw a few people reaching and then leaving, but we have Sudhakar who's reached and managed to lift that heavy pedal of his for 20. Ravi for 20. Ravi for 20. We have Ravi for 20. We have Ravi for 20. Books being opened, notes being scrambled across. Rachan coming in for 30. Sudhakar 40, 50, 60. 60 with Sudhakar. 60 with the fearless fighters. 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 I'm going to sell now. We have a lot of players to go through. I'm going to sell now. If I don't see any more petals. Going once. Going twice. Sold. Sold to the
भाई जेल को पैसे नहीं दिएगा तुमने
sold to Sudhakar for 60.
आपका मैसेज लगा था कि विजय को पैसे नहीं देगा
हाँ भाई पैसा ही वाला
Well done.
तू यहाँ
Good
क्या
player.
है
We're going to do the budgets after 10 players. So let's get through 10 and then we'll do the budget. Next up is Sanjeev. New upcoming leg spinner, handy batter, claims to play under 16 for Tamil Nadu and somebody has bought it as well. So 20 for Sudhakar. 20, Sanjeev, leg spinner, handy batter, new to the club, exciting prospect. Fearless fighter starting us off with 20. We have a bit of 20 starting with Sudhakar. Fearless fighters. If I don't see any more pedals go up in the next 10 seconds, I'm going to sell Sanjeev to fearless fighters. Going, okay, pedals up.
Finally.
Fair play. Satish, Mavericks, 30. We have a bit of 30 for Sanjeev. Oh, that's for his contribution. 40, 50. I saw his first, so 40, 50. Sudhakar has it for 50. 60 with Satish J. 60 with the Mavericks. 60. Sanjeev 60 going once. Mavericks. 60 going twice. Sanjeev Mavericks 60. 70 with Sudhakar. 70 fearless fighters. 80 Mavericks. 80 Mavericks. I'm just going to start countdown now. 80 going once. 80 going twice. Sanjeev Mavericks. 80 going twice and sold. First player for the Mavericks this evening is Sanjeev for 80. Thank you so much. Mavericks. Okay, we have sold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 players. So we will put 3 more and then we can talk about. Next up is ABD Abhishek Dharma Panay. The longer his name, the longer his height. So he's equally tall as long as his name is. So we're going to go with 20. I'm not going to explain how good he is because you all know that. And Rachan can testify for that with a bit of 20 coming in for ABD. ABD for 20 with the Falcons. 30 with the Fearless Fighters. 40 with the Falcons. 50 with the Fearless Fighters. 60 Rachan. 70 Sudhakar. 80 Rachan. 90 Sudhakar. 90 Sudhakar. 100. A full 100 for the Dynamos. Winner with the Dynamos. ABD. 100. We've reached another century. So many from the score one this evening and the battery has died down. So I'm going to take a second. Captain bro, focus. 100. We have 100 with Vinod. I'm just going to take a small break while we see the battery. जल्दी नहीं पड़ गए बहुत बात कर रहा
घंटा लगा दिया वो
हाँ दिखा दे भाई दिखा दे
Okay, we're gonna pause for a second. We are at 100 with the dynamos for Abhishek Naik. I'm just gonna get the mic sorted. Give me a second.
बिना माइक के
हाँ कंटिन्यू कर ले
come on Joel now
always got you बिडिंग रुक रही थी जो कि करना वो वन साइड हो जाता
Hello, I'm back. Cheers. Back. And so is the mic. We're going for ABD. We're at 100 with the dynamos. Can we please restart the bidding at 100, please? Next bid is 120. Do I see any paddles? Do I see any more paddles? For 120. 120 is what we're looking for ABD. It's the looking price, I was going to say. It's more word. Looking price. But we're looking for 120 for the next bid. We don't see any on the table. So I am going to sell ABD for 100 points to the dynamos. Going once, going twice, and sold. ABD to the dynamos, 100 points. A full 100 points. A very good buy.
Satya. There you go, buddy. Oh, best price.
Next up is
myself.
Embarrassing moment.
And somehow the base price has been increased to 50.
humble
Right?
Okay, start.
शुरू कर जल्दी जल्दी.
Those are the stats from last year.
तेरी आवाज सबसे
And we start the bid at 50. Do we have any bids at 50? 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 120, 120 with the
Fastest.
Falcons. 120 with the
Fastest
Falcons.
100 today.
140 with the Mavericks. 140 with the Mavericks. 140 with the Mavericks.
Come on.
140 with the Mavericks. Are we all very sure now? I see one hand on the pedal, but I'm not going to wait. I'm going once for 140, twice for 140, sold for 140 to the Mavericks. Kiran Hegde, secretary of the club. If you don't buy him, all 4 teams you have to buy him. I don't know how, but you have to buy him. If you don't, it's over, guys. The club closes today. Right, so we start with the base price of 20 for Kiran. You see bids. Rachan coming in at 20. Wicket keeper batter. He's still very good, I can tell you that much. Left-handed as well. He's playing this week for the thirds, is he? Yes. He's playing this week for the thirds. So he's good. 20. Kiran Hegde. 30. Kiran Hegde. 40. Kiran Bhai. 40. Kiran Bhai. With the Falcons still. With the Falcons. 40. 40 Kiran Bhai. Falcons. 40. 50, 50, 50. Fearless fighters. 60, 60, 60 with the Falcons. 60 with the Falcons. 60 with the Falcons. Kiran Bhai going once. Going twice to the Falcons for 60 and sold to the Falcons for 60. Kiran Bhai sold to the Falcons for 60. For 60. For 60. I said we're going to do budgets at 10 players. We're going to do it at 15 because we've had a lot of breaks. We just want to carry on, right? Please calculate your own budgets, captains. We expect to do that much. Kiran Bhai 50 to the Falcons. 60 to the Falcons. Thank you. Next player up is Anand Haldar. Some of you have seen him, some of you have not. Last year he joined the club. Handy player, handy batter, can bowl, slow medium pace, decent on the field. Overall a good utility player. We have Iron coming in at 20. DC with 20 for the fighters. Fighters are in at 20 for Iron. Going once. Going twice. Sold to the fighters for 20. Sold to the fighters for 20. I am sold to the fighters for 20. Raja Prabhakaran Arunachalam. That took some effort, but you got it. So Raja, as you all know, hard hitting, lower order batter, fast bowler, fearless on the field, overall package. As a 20 team, we need a bit of 20 to get us started. 20 for the Falcons, 30 for the fighters, 40 for the Falcons, 50 for the fighters, 60 for the Falcons, 70 for the fighters. We gave other two captains points as well, just to clarify. It's not just the Falcons and the fighters that we gave points to. So we have 70 with the fighters, is it? 70 with the fighters, 80 with the Falcons, 90 with the fighters. 90 with the fighters, 90, Raja, 100, a whole 100 with Dynamos, 100, Raja going at 100 to the Dynamos, 120, 140, 140 to the Dynamos, Raja going once, going twice, so we all 160, Mavericks in at 160 for Raja. Raja 160 for the Mavericks, going once, going twice, soon going to be gone to the Mavericks, and he is gone to the Mavericks for 160 Mavericks. Mavericks 160. Next up, we got your spelling wrong. Sorry. But Kurian, he's here. He's new to the club. He's played cricket before in Kerala and he's here now. He's rejoined. He's a good batter. He's tall, so he can catch a few balls. He's going to be a good fielder and he's going to provide the whole package. He's going to be available for all the games. That's also very important in a squad of 15. You need a middle. So Kurian at 20. Who do we have? We have Sudhakar at 20. Rachan at 30. Falcons at 30 for Kurian. Falcons 30, Kurian. Falcons 30, 40, 50 for Kurian, 50 for Kurian. Falcons 50 for Kurian. Falcons 50, Kurian going once, going twice. Kurian sold to the Falcons for 50. Well done Kurian. Well done Falcons. Vinay Bal. For those who don't know Vinay Bal, you should really get to know him. He's a fun guy. But he's a very good cricketer as well. Plays for the first team. Hard hitting middle order batter. Can give you 4 overs for nothing. We have bids already on the table even before I finish this question. So go with the bids and let our captains value him. So we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Keep your pedals down if you're not bidding. Pedals down. Pick it up only when you're bidding. Don't keep it on your hand. Gives me heart attack. 100 with the
कॉमेडी है जी
100 with the fight. 120 dynamos. Dynamos 120. 140 fighters. 140 fighters. Winning ball 140 fighters. Going once. 160 Falcons. 180 fighters. 180 fighters. Going once. 180 fighters going once. Fighters going twice. Are we, 200! We have 200 on the table! 200. For the Mavericks, 200. Winning ball, 200. 220. 220. The winning goes on. And we expect no less for winning. 220. Below 220. Dynamos, 220. Coming in hot on the heels of the Mavericks. Going once. 240 with the Mavericks now. 240 with the Mavericks. Vinay Bal. He's going to become rich overnight. He's going to become the next Cameron Green. But the one who performs, not the one who flops. 240 Vinay Bal. Mavericks. Sounds nice to me. Should we sell him? Should we sell him to the Mavericks for 240? No, we don't. We might sell him to the Dynamos for 260 now though. 260. Put it into context, that's more than 10% of the budget. 260, that's actually 30%. 260 going once. 260, Vinay Bal, Dynamos going twice. 260, my mallet is up, and it comes out for Vinay Bal. 260, Dynamos, sold. Jagdeep Singh, left arm spinner, right hand batsman. Paji, dynamic on the field. He's taking some excellent catches. Very good. At 20, we have Sudhakar 20. These guys know their players. 8 before I disrespected. 20 for Jagdeep, 30 for Jagdeep, 30 for Jagdeep going once. 40, 50. Give me a little rest hands. 50, 60 fighters. 70 Falcons. 80 fighters. Going once. Going twice. My hammer is going to be up as soon as I back up. Hammer's up and comes out for Jagdeep at 80 for the fighters. Thank you so much. Good round. Swift. Just how I like it. $80 for Jagdeep. How many players are we through, boys? 12. 15 up. 15 up, right? Yes. Yeah, 15 up. So we're going to do the budgets now. So I'll hand over the mic to Aditya. Just let them know about the budgets. Who has how much left and how many players, please.
Team Falcons has 5 players so far. Piradish for 120, Nehal for 70, Vijay D for 160, Kiran Bhai for 60 and Kurian for 50. So 5 players for him so far. And his budget remaining is 1540. That's Team Falcons. Now Team Mavericks, they have Sanjeev in the team for 80, Satyaki for 140 and Raja for 160. Now Fearless Fighters, okay, the budget for Mavericks 1620 left, 380 used. Fearless Fighters have 4 players in the team, Srinath for 40, Ravi for 60, Ayan for 20 and Jagdeep for 80. So they have spent 200 so far and have 1800 left, Fearless Fighters. And Team Dynamos, they have 3 players, Vinay Bhai for the highest bid of 260, Shubham for 50 and ABD for 100. So 410 spent, they have 1590 left. That's update at the half time. Well, not half time, quarter time.
Right, so we get back to the options. We have loads of players coming up. Loads of players to go under the makeshift hammer that I've made for this option. Right, we have 15 players sold. Now you know the budgets. We resume for the second half of the first half. And we start with Chitransh. Chitransh, 20. Not going to describe, it's just going to go. 20. Chitransh, 20. Batter. 30. Chitransh, 40. 50. 60. 60 with the fighters. Chitransh, 60 fighters. Chitransh, 60 fighters. 60 fighters, Chitransh. Chitransh, 60 fighters. 70 Mavericks. Chitransh, 70 Mavericks. 70 Mavericks, Chitransh, 70 Mavericks. Going once. Going twice. Hammer is up. 80. 80 fighters. Chitransh, 80 fighters. 90 for Chitransh. Come on, you can get to 100 boys. Come on, you deserve that man. Come on. Going at 90, Chitransh, going once. Chitransh, going twice. Chitransh. Hammer up. 90. Next up, this is going to be fun. One of my favorite players in the club. Mr. Gupta. Mr. Gupta.
No, Gupta ji.
Gupta G. Put the G for respect. Right? 50. We have 50. Sudhakar on the board. Sudhakar coming in hard fast. On the board. 50. 50 going once.
Twice.
50. 60 Falcons. I want this to be swift, boys. I have to go home. 60, 70, yes, that's how I like it. 80, 90 fighters, 100 Falcons, 110, 120, sorry, 120 with the fighters, Gupta going once. 140 with the Dynamos, expected no less. 140 with the Dynamos. 160 with the fighters. Are we all very sure now? Are we happy to let Gupta go for 160 to the fighters? No, we are not. 180 to the Dynamos. Dynamos come rolling back in at 180. Gupta. 180 Gupta. It's going to be the buy of the season. 200. It's not going to be the buy of the season. 200 for Gupta. 200. Fearless fighters. 200. New ball menace. Look at those wickets. 22 wickets. That's a lot. 200 fighters. 200 fighters. Going once. Going twice. Are we all very sure now? Hands down from the pedals. Sold. Go the fighters for 500. 200 Siddharth Gupta fighters. Next up, Vasant Kumar, Emil Kumar. 20, 30, 40, 50, Vasant, 50, 60, 70 with the Falcons, 70 Vasant, 70 with the Falcons. 70 with the Falcons. I think you want new one. Vasant. Yeah. That's increased his worth as well. 70. Who has it? 70. Is it the Falcons with 70? Falcons with 70 for Vasant going once.
Come on, Vasant is a cheap buy, guys. 70. Come on.
Yeah, come on.
You can
Go.
do
Vasant
better.
going twice.
You can do better than this. Come on.
80 Mavericks.
You
90 Falcons. 90 Falcons going once.
Someone is ready to buy. Pump it up.
Going twice.
Pump it up.
Dynamos. We don't see any bids. We're just playing with the pedal. 90 sold. Falcons. Thank you very much. Falcons.
Hemant, which Hemant? Hemant Talwar, there are two Hemant in the team. No, then do you, is it Hemant Patra or Hemant Talwar? There are two Hemant. Oh, that is Himanshu. Sorry man.
पंजाब वाला सीख नहीं होगा गलत खरीद लिया
गलत खरीद लिया और वो पेल दिया जा रहा है
Heman bhai here. Heman bhai, you are on.
Right, next up is Hemant. He's here. He's here. Batter. Good fielder. I've seen him taking catches. I like it. Start with a bit of 20. Sudhakar 20. Sudhakar with the fighters. Falcons 30. These guys have some sort of friendship, the Falcons and the fighters. Bid for the same players. 40. 40 for the fighters. 40 for fighters. Hemant going once. Going twice. So, to the fighters. Thank you. Fighters. Deva Kumar Anandar. Few of you have not seen him play. I can assure you he is a menace with the new ball as well. Highly fit guy. And we have to bid at 20 coming in from Sudhakar already. A good batter as well. Middle order, down the order. Hemant is gone. Deva down for 20. Deva 20 fighters. Deva 20 fighters. Deva for 20 fighters. We see any pace. 30 Falcons. Of course, Falcons are going to come in when fighters are bidding. 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. A whole 100. A whole 100 for Deva. With the fighters. A whole 100. A whole 100. A whole 100. Fighters. Deva. 120 Dynamos. 120 Dynamos. 120 Dynamos, 140 fighters, 140 fighters, 140 fighters, 160 with the Dynamos, 160 with the Dynamos, 160 going once, going twice, 180 with the Mavericks,
Whoa!
180 with the Mavericks, 180 with the Mavericks, 180 with the Mavericks, going once. 200! We have 200 again! Woohoo! Woo! 200! 200 with the Dynamos. Going once. Going twice. Gone. 2 Dynamos. 200. Goodbye. Goodbye. Himanshu Patra. Himanshu Patra. Classic batter, guys. I've seen him bat. Let's go with the bids. Himanshu. Let's see. Himanshu. I've seen him bat in the practice game. I can tell you, he's a very, very good batter. Going once. Falcons coming at 20. Fighters at 30. Fighters at 30. Fighters at 30. Himanshu, fighters 30. Going once. Fighters at 30. 40. 40 for the Mavericks. Mavericks coming at 40. Mavericks, Himanshu, 40. We see any more bids? Any more bids now on the table? We don't see any more. We do see a bid at 50. Coming at 50. 50. 50. Fighters, 50. I'm going to give you 2 more seconds. You're out. The whole table is out. Himanshu at 50. I will tell you this is a great buy to the fighters.
सस्ते में गया है बहुत सस्ता मिला है दोस्त
Next up, Akarwa Joglekar. We have a minute 20. I don't need to, waste my energy trying to describe the player. 30. 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 100. You reach 100 in no time. 100 with the fighters. My hammer is up. And it's going to come down in the next 3 seconds. On the count of 3 to 1. 120. I'm counting at 120. 120. Now my hammer is up. It's going to come down. 140. That's it. That's how you make a fast bit. You're all learning. 140 once, twice. So 140. To the fighters. How many sold? 22. Big noise for Yasha.
Come on, Adi!
His base price is 50 and we are Rajan at 50. 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180. 180 for Aditya Shah. 200. We have 200. Woo! Look at the number of wickets. Look at the number of wickets he's got. It's crazy. It's crazy. You can't get so many wickets. Right? Number of overs.
Look at the number of overs.
220 Sri Lanka. 220 Sri Lanka. Fearless fighters. 220 Aditya Shah.
You get to bowl more overs, right? Whenever you want.
Are we all sure now there are no bids on the table? 220, 240.
Wow.
240 with the Falcons. Going once. Going twice. Going to be gone for this. Oh, 260. 260.
Wow.
Mavericks to 60 now. Mavericks to 60. Mavericks to 60. Going once.
Come on.
Going twice. You all very sure now. I see no hands on the pedal. 260 Mavericks. Aditya Shah sold. Yashwant CP. Next up, Yashwant CP, leg spinner. Leggy. What is leggy? There. Let's go. Leggy 20. Leggy is worth way more than 20. Guys. He wants in IPL cricket. Leggies are worth millions of dollars. Here we are only selling for 20 points. 20 points. Do we see any bids on the table? Yashwant. If not, we're going to come back at the end because players need to be sold. Do we have any bids for Yashwant? Any bids at all? No bids, we're going to come back later. Oh, we have 20. We have Sudhakar at 20. We're going to go once. 30 with the Falcons. Going once. Going twice. Falcons 30. Yashwant sold. 30. Yashwant to the Falcons for 30. Thank you guys. Thank you. Who do we have next? Masood Patel. I can tell you his name is a misnomer. He's no Masood. But here we go. Masood Patel, mystery spinner, hard hitting batter. Lower down the order, smash cricketer overall. We're going at 50. We have fighters in at 50 for Masood. 60 for Falcons. 70 with the fighters. 80 with the Falcons. 90 with the fighters. 100 with the Falcons. 100 with the Falcons. 100 with the Falcons. 120 with the fighters. 120 with the fighters. 120 with the fighters. 120 with the fighters. 140 with the Dynamos. 140 with the Dynamos. 140. 140. 140 with the Dynamos. Going once. Going twice. Dynamos. 160. 160. 160 with the fighters.
Real bucks out there.
160 with the fighters. 160 with the Mavericks. Sorry. 160 with the Mavericks. 160. 180. 180. 180. 180. 180. I think it's going to be the final bid. I don't see any more backs up. 180. Dynamos. Masood Patel. 1, 2, 3. So, Dynamos. 180. Masood Patel. Suraj Prasad. Suraj Prasad, the mystery spinner. Coming in at 20. Coming at 20.
Nice bowler.
20. 20, 30. 40. 50. 60. He was man of the series of the last Challengers Trophy. 60. He was man of the series of the last Challengers Trophy. That's how good he was. 60. 60 with the Falcons, is it? 60 with the Falcons. 60 with the Falcons. Going once. Going twice. Hammer up. Hammer down. Sold. 60 to the Falcons. 60 to the Falcons.
Cheap by Suraj.
Yeah, सस्ते में क्या रे?
Next up is Adit. Middle order batter, good fielder, team man. And I regard team men higher than batters and bowlers anyway. So I would consider him a strong prospect. Adit Deshpande at 20. Adit Deshpande at 20. Adit Deshpande at 20. Strong batter, good player. We see any bids on the table. Adit Deshpande 20. At 20 is a bargain buy. You can buy him any day at 20. I think even more. According to me. So we see any bids at 20. Any bids 20. 20. Will be a value buy. If I don't see, I'll pass it on, but I don't want to pass it on. So if I see any bids at 20. All 14, no bids. 20. Okay, 20. 20. 20 for the fighters. 20 for the fighters. Going once. Going twice. Sold. Adit Deshpande fighters for 20. Can we know the number of players we have showcased?
Right.
27.
This is 27.
No, this is 28.
This is 28. Okay. 3 more to the break, guys. 3 more to the break. Syed. Syed batter. He's also a handy off spinner, by the way. I've seen him, and he's a good fielder. And he's making his debut this weekend, if I'm not wrong, on Sunday. So overall, a good prospect. New to the club, playing leather ball for the first time, but he's damn interested, which is great. So, do we see any bids at 20? Syed. Syed, any bids at 20? Do we see any bids? Any bids at all? 20. Syed is a bargain buy at 20, I'll tell you that. Can we have Syed at 20, please? Do we see any bids? Any bids? I'm going to give it 30 more seconds. 30 more seconds. Syed at 20. Going once. Going twice. Remains unsold. Will come back later in the auction. We'll come back later in the auction. No problem.
Vishal Sharma.
Very
Vishal Sharma, where are you?
Vishal Sharma. Vishal Sharma, hard hitting batter, top order batter. Very fast on the field.
Good catcher.
Good catcher. Excellent catcher. He, on his day, he can take the best catch in the world, to be honest. Vishal Sharma didn't play last year because he was in Canada. The year before he scored a century. So you should know his caliber. And he's back this year. So all the best to him. And can we get bids at 20, please? 20. Yes, Rachan. 20. 30. 40. 40. 50. 60. 60. 60 for Vishal Sharma. 60. 60. 70. 80. 80 with Rachan Falcons. 80. 90. 100. 100. 100 with Rachan. Vishal Sharma 100 with Rachan Falcons. Going once. Going twice. He's peaked in his corner. 100 Falcons. Vishal Sharma. Are we all sure now? 120. 120 Mavericks. 120 Mavericks. 120. 120 going once. Going twice. I'm not going to ask for the third time. I pedal up or pedal down. I don't see any pedals up. 120 Mavericks, Vishal Sharma. Sold. Mavericks, 120 Vishal.
नाम तो समय
Right. So, next up we have Rahul. This is the second last player before we go on a break. We'll make this the second last player before we go on a break. Rahul at a base price of 20, making his debut for the third team this weekend. Batter, top order batter. We have a bid. We see a bid of 20 to start us off. We see a bid of 20. Starting off now. Bid of 20 to get us started. My hammer is up. Can we get a bid of 20 please? Starting now. Starting now. Bid of 20 to get us started on Rahul. Rahul, top order batter for team 3. Going once. Going twice. We're going to come back to Rahul at the end of the auction. Next up, Siddharth Rastogi. Leg spinner, lower order batter, good fielder, and a good cricketing brain. All of that is very important as a combination in a player. Our only bid is 50 to start us off. 50 Rastogi, Rachan 50. R's, all the R's put together. Rastogi, Rachan 50. We see 60 on the table. For Rastogi, 60. We have 60 on the table. No, 50, yes. We need 60. I see no bids for Rastogi. 50 is the final bid. Are you all sure now? There's no more bids. What? Seriously? Going once. Going twice. Rastogi. 60. 5 does not letting it go so easy.
60, it's already 70.
Bro, that's
That will be fine. 60.
It is technical glitch, bro.
60, it's okay. We're going to go to 70. Japesh believes in it. So let's forget the number here. We are at 60.
Best spinner in the club.
We are at 60 with Sudhakar. 70 Dynamos. Peer pressure does this. 70 with the Dynamos. Going once. 70 with the Dynamos. Going twice. My hammer is way high up. Coming down all the way from there. Takes 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 70 Dynamos. Next up, Tanmay.
Where are you, Tanmay?
I have seen very few players swing the ball in the 18th over. He's one of them. So he is that rare talent. Right? So let's go. Tanmay. Medium pacer. Handy batter at 20. Let's come for 20. Tanmay. And a good fielder as well, which adds to all of that other traits he has. And a team man. So 20 for Tanmay. We have the first bid. 20. Tanmay. Tanmay on the table. Can we see a bit of 20 please? On the table. 20 going once. 20 going twice. Are we all sure now? You want to come back to Tanmay later? Tanmay remains unsold. We'll come back in the auction later. Tanmay at 20.
आएंगे ना दोबारा वापस
No, do one more then we take a break and then
ब्रेक की जरूरत है क्या
yeah. We'll do one more. Yeah. So we have to come back for all these players later, right? So it's going to add to the.
Bro, let's go marquee, no? We have
After this.
No, we have already reached that mark. More than 26 done.
It's fine. We'll come back to these players later, right? So that's
इनको
fine.
गेम के नहीं बोल चलो
ठीक है. One more. We'll do one more. Shubham.
Like Shashank.
Shubham coming in at 20. Shubham making his debut this weekend. Good batter. We know that 20.
Shubham.
We know that Dynamos 20. Shubham 20. We know that Dynamos 30. We have 30, 30 with the fighters, 30 with the fighters, 30 with the fighters, 30 with the fighters, 40 with the dynamos,
बहुत अच्छा बैट्समैन है भाई
40 with the fighters, 40 with the
अच्छा है भाई
fighters,
वो इन्होंने देखा नहीं है उसको
40 with the fighters, 40 with the fighters going once, 40 with the fighters, 50 with the Falcons, 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 60 with the Dynamos, 60 with the Dynamos. These are the guys who see it back, I think. The Dynamo 60 with the Dynamos, 60 with the Dynamos, 60 with the Dynamos going once, 60 with the Dynamos, 70 with the Mavericks, 70 with the Mavericks, 70 with the Mavericks, 70 with the Mavericks going once, 70 with the Mavericks, 80 with the Dynamos, 80 with the Dynamos. My hammer is high up. I'm going to come down slowly but surely, and I'm going to go 80 Dynamos. 1, 2, 3. Shubham sold Dynamos 80. With that, we finish the first half of the auction. We're going to come back with the marquee players. We'll explain to you the rules of how we go marquee. We're going to take a 2-minute break. Feel free to get yourself a drink. You can talk to each other. Do whatever you want. Cheers. See you in 2 minutes.
Bro, ini nggak Syam rakan
Let it be, bro. People have left only 14 people here. If you can hear me, we are on a break right now. We'll be back in 5 minutes. लोग गए क्या? नहीं है 14.
No, it's T20.
13 है एक गया. ये कौन है?
Lads, we're on a break. We'll be back in 3 minutes. Thank you.
है क्या?
Right guys, so we're back. We're back in the auctions. And now we're going to bid for marquee player. It will be a live bidding process. So you will see the captains bidding on the screen here. And the captain with the highest bid for a particular pack. By a pack, you get 2 players. We've zoomed it up. Hopefully it's visible on Instagram and on Google Meets. We have pack A, Jawad and Vaibhav. Jawad, smashing all-rounder. Vaibhav, a hard-hitting all-rounder himself, captain of the club. Pack B is Atif, top-order batter, and Vijay Adhikari. These two need no introductions. Atif Bhai, the legendary opener of the club, and Vijay Adhikari, the guy who can take your head off with one bouncer. Just face him in the nets. Pack C is Abhishek Pandey and Sharad. Again, needs no description. Abhishek Pandey, by far the best player in the club I have seen. And Sharad is an up-and-coming opening batter who has great potential. And last one is a value pack. You have Mohammad and Apur who are both dynamic. So they can give you batting, bowling, fielding. All three aspects of the game are covered if you have those two on the team. Right? Are we all set? Good to go?
Yeah.
I have the timer on here for 150 seconds. On the count of 3, captains to start bidding. 3, 2, 1, go. We are waiting for the first captain to make his move. The others are waiting on that.
Nobody's bidding.
We have the bids up. Falcons going smart and playing the base price for us.
Green, don't change in my side. You have your own. Who is green? Yeah. Sorry.
So the first column, FAL, is the Falcons. That's Rachan Cells. MAV, Satish J. Mavericks. Fearless Fighters in column 3 and Dynamos, Vinod in column 4. Captains, please stick to your columns. If you go to somebody else's column, it will get bad. There might be a fight. I'll run away. $90 seconds. Boys, 90 seconds.
भाई डायनामो को याद दिलाओ भाई कोई.
90 seconds left. Yes, 90 seconds left.
डायनामो आखिरी में
90 seconds left.
डायनामो फिल नहीं कर पा रहा क्या? चेक करना. कर पा रहा है.
That's strategy. That's the real strategy.
ये तो सबसे जल्दी गया भाई. 3 मिनट में सारे बिक गए. मास्टर स्ट्रोक. ये अच्छा है टीम बैलेंस करने के लिए.
60 seconds left. 60 seconds left. Ladies and gentlemen, 60 seconds left.
अभिषेक पांडे और शरद लिया 450 में. टेक्निकली देखा जाए तो 200 220 220 में से दोनों. ये सारे ऑल राउंडर हैं. 500 फैल्कन्स किसका कौन है? फैल्कन बच्चा ना 250 के हो गए ना 2.
14 seconds left. I'm going to start counting now when it's 5.
Mavericks quality or quantity?
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Please, phones down, phones down, phones down.
Boy.
Phones down, phones down, phones down.
750.
नहीं वो 750 था भाई वो.
Before that I closed it, right? I was
No. Sudhakar, it was 750.
Phones down.
Because live is also right.
Phones down.
It's live, right? I have option to within 2 months I can decide, right?
Phones down. Guys, we're going to decide based on what is.
750.
I saw 750. It went down to 550. There might be a lag. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's all among friends, boys. It's all among friends. Now let's see who's got what. Jawad and Vaibhav for 200 to Falcons. Seems like that as of now. Okay. Seems like that. The next one is Atif and Vijay Adhikari. That's at 350 with the Fearless Fighters, who also have Sharat and Abhishek Pandey. Right? Oh, Dynamos is there. It was 470.
It was 480 something. It changed
It
now.
was 470. We'll take it as 470. I saw 470 last. So again, it is with Fearless Falcons at 550, and the third one is with Dynamos at 200. So, Fearless Fighters, you have to choose one of the 2 packs. So, which one do you let go? You choose pack C and you let go of pack B. Right. So,
The second highest.
this is now confirmed. Pack C, Abhishek Pandey and Sharat going to Fearless Fighters. That's confirmed. That's the first pack confirmed. We're going to work out on the rest. We're going to work out on the rest. We're going to work out on the rest. Mavericks don't have the highest bid for any of the rows, so we're going to come back to Mavericks at the end. Mavericks.
Good idea, bro.
Very good, very good. Nice. Strategy, boy.
Falcons have the highest bid for pack A, which is Jawad and Vaibhav.
No, package. Package already sold. Package sold.
Yeah. Falcons. So pack A to the Falcons for 200. So no, 350. Oh, so you have to now choose between pack A and pack B. So which one do you choose? Yes, that's the rule. Which one do you choose to take with you?
Pack B, boy.
I don't want to put a timer, but be fast. Okay, pack A to Falcons sold. Pack A to Falcons sold. Okay, Falcons are sorted. Fighters are sorted. Now Mavericks and Dynamos, and we have pack B and pack D left, right? And Dynamos have 200 for both. So Dynamos, which pack do you choose? Pack B or pack D? Pack D going to Dynamos for 200. D to Dynamos for 200. D to Dynamos for 200. That means Mavericks get pack B by default for 180. Pack B for 180 to the Dynamos. So now you have your marquee players, boys. I'll announce them out now.
Good one.
Oh, you have money, right?
अभी सबको लेगा वो.
Remember me, huh?
We're just going to request for the remaining purse to be declared, but before that, just confirming the marquee players obtained by each of the teams. Pack A had Jawad and Vaibhav. It was bought by the Falcons for 200 points. Pack B was bought by Satish by default for 180. It had Atif and Vijay Adhikari. Pack C had Sudhakar's name all over it because he had bid 550, the highest so far for 2 players, and he had Abhishek and Sharat, so it deserved it. And finally pack D, D for Dynamos and D for pack D as well, going to Vinod, having Mohammed and Apur for 200 points. Thank you. We're going to come back to the remaining first and carry on with the rest of the auction.
How does it feel now?
Nice, boys, nice. Good job, Satya. Good job. Well done.
Right, so remaining purse for everybody, remaining purse. Rachan's Falcons have 1160. Satish's Mavericks has 970. Fearless Fighters have 770. And Dynamos have 860. Right? Are we all clear? Should we go ahead?
Yeah.
The rest on the auction? Right, thank you. We move on.
Rajesh, come on.
Starting off the main phase of the auction for part 2 is the money man, Rajesh Manirajan. If you don't buy him, you get no payment for subs or anything like that. No bonds. Right, Rajesh. Base price 50. You can see the number of runs. That should speak for itself. Let's go. Rachan with the Falcons in for 50. 60 with the Fighters. 60 with the Fighters. 60 with the Fighters. 70 with the Falcons. 80 with the Fighters. 90 with the Falcons. 100. 100 with the Fighters. 120 with the Falcons, 140 with the Fighters, 160 with the Falcons, 180 with the Fighters. Rajesh Manirajan, 180 Fighters, 200 with the Dynamos, 200 Dynamos. Rajesh, Dynamos, Vinod, Rajesh, 200. Do we have any more bids? Do we have any more bids now? Are you all very sure? Are you happy for Rajesh to go for 200 to the Dynamos? My hammer is coming down on the count of 3,
Cheap buy.
2, 220, 220, Falcons, bang in, 220, Falcons, 220, Falcons, 220, 240, the Dynamos, 240 the Dynamos. My hammer is coming down now. We have very less time. We're going once, we're going twice, we're going so 240.
Sudhakar, do something in the auction, bro.
Velapan. Last year team 4 captain, big hitter, good spinner, handy mind of cricket. Can help you with strategy. Very good at it. Smart guy. We have a bit 20 with Vinod, 30 with Rachan. 30 with Rachan.
You saw me.
30 with Rachan. 30, 40 with Vinod. 40 with Vinod. Vela 40, Vinod.
Actually, I'll go for umpiring.
Vela 40, Vinod. 50 with Rachan. 50 with Rachan. Hammer coming down way high. Going to take 3 seconds. 50, Rachan, Vela. Rachan, Vela 50. Hammer coming down from way high. Coming down slowly. On the count of 3, 2, 1. Vela, Rachan, sold. Vela, Rachan for 50. From the previous captain of Team 4 to the current captain of Team 4. That's a great transition. Japesh, wicketkeeper, batter, good fielder, good cricketing mind. Sudhakar in at 20. Sudhakar in at 20. Keeping the internal lines alive. Sudhakar at 20. 20 for Japesh. Do we see any more bids? Any more bids now? 20 for Japesh. Going once. 30, 40, 50 for the Fighters. Fighters back in at 50. Hammer up. Hammer will come down because it's gravity. Going once. Going twice. Japesh 50 on the count of 3 sold now. Japesh 50 to the Fighters. Fighters, Japesh 50.
Cheap buy.
Liar. Prashant, come on.
Prashant, good talent. Sudhakar at 20. 5% at 20 for Prashant. Sudhakar 30 for Rachan. 30 for Rachan, 40 for Sudhakar, 50 for Rachan, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. We stop at 100 and I get some time to pause and breathe. 100 for Prashant. Prashant 100 with Sudhakar. Hammer coming up. Hammer will come down. 120 Mavericks Prashant 120. 140 Sudhakar. Keep your pedal on if you're not beating. 160, 180, 200, 220, 240, 260 Prashant 260 Prashant going once. 260 Prashant going twice. 280 Prashant. 300 Prashant once. 300 Prashant twice. 300 Prashant. The costliest buy of this auction so far, 300 Prashant. And he's worth every point. I can tell you that. 300 Prashant. Roshan Soma Sundaram. You just have to look at him. You know the power he has. All-rounder, two all-rounder in the sense of it. You can see the wickets, you can see the runs, the 100 runs and 15 wickets. You know this. In at 50, Vinod. In at 50. Roshan, 50, Vinod. Roshan, Vinod, 50. Roshan, Vinod, 50. Roshan, Vinod, 50. 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 with the fighters, 100 with the fighters. 100 with the fighters, 120, 140 Falcons, 160 Dynamos, 160 going once, 160 with the Dynamos going twice, 180 with the Mavericks, 180 with the Mavericks going once, 180 with the Mavericks going twice. Mavericks, Roshan, 180, 200, woo! 200 Dynamos, first team player, second team player, third team player, fourth team player, place 200 Dynamos, 200 Dynamos. Sold it. 1, 2, so 200 Roshan. Just Rana. How do I hype up this player? I don't need to. He's too good. If he becomes an assistant, he'll be very, very good. Can I see a bit of 20? Bit of 20 on the board. Bit of 20. 20 for Just Rana, left arm spinner. Going once. Already. Falcons 20. Falcons in at 20. This might be the buy of the season, guys. 30. Hype man. I am the hype man.
Rachan is getting upset over here.
Everybody without prejudice. Mavericks 30. Mavericks 30. Falcons 40. Left arm spinner.
Come on, Maverick.
Rare commodity. Falcons 40. Going
Keep
once.
by, boy.
Going twice. Are we on? Oh, 50. Mavericks 50. Left arm spinner.
Come on, Rachan.
Mavericks 50. Going to come down. On the count of 3, the hammer. It's going once. Mavericks. Going twice, Mavericks. Sold to the Mavericks 50, 50, 50, 50 crores. Just now sold to the Mavericks.
Good one, go it.
Same team just.
Vignesh, the fast bowler. He's gotten faster over the last year. I saw him bowl in the practice match. He was really fast.
And he was good.
And he was good as well. Yeah. So, and he took a one-handed glide. All that put together, a bit of 20 on the table should get me started. 20 for Vinod. Dynamos.
Vignesh.
20, Vignesh. Oh, 20 for Vinod. Okay. Vinod has the bid for 20. With Vignesh, right? Vignesh, 20, Vinod. Dynamos going once. Vignesh to Dynamos going twice. Vignesh goes to Dynamos for 20 sold. Vignesh Dynamos 20 sold. Thank you.
Come on, boys.
Bhuvanesh Senapati, new ball bowler.
Leading
Best
the
bowler,
leading.
Oh, by the way, just look at his wickets. I don't need to tell you how good he is. Just look at his wickets. 38 wickets. 36 wickets, and he's bowled like 50 less overs than Aditya. So we pay 260 for him, you can pay 20 for Bhuvanesh as well. 20, Falcons get started with 20. Falcons 20, Bhuvanesh. Falcons 20, Bhuvanesh. Falcons 20, Bhuvanesh. My hammer is way up, it's going to come way down. On the count of 3, Bhuvanesh. 20, Falcons going once, going twice. Going to Falcons. 20, Bhuvanesh Senapati. Thank you.
Goodbye, Rachan.
Boys, pump the price for Rachan. Come on, captain.
क्या कर रहे हैं लोग?
Gururaj Kulkarni, Aditya's best player of the club. Let's go. He's a much improved batter. He's a much improved keeper. He's a great guy to hang out with. It's great fun. Team man, Gururaj Kulkarni. We get 20, Rachan 20. Wicketkeeper batter, Gururaj 20 Falcons. 30 Dynamos. 40 Rachan. 40 Rachan Falcons. 50 Dynamos. 50 Dynamos. 50 Dynamos. I'm going to pick up my hammer. I'm going once for Gururaj at 50. I'm going twice for Gururaj at 50. I'm selling Gururaj at 50 to Dynamos. 50 Gururaj Dynamos sold. Akshay Sawant, for people who haven't seen him practice all of the off season. He's again a much improved batter, a lefty, dynamic batter, fast across the field, good team man, great fun to hang out with as always. Akshay provides something different. Lefty batters are rare in the club, and we started with at 20 to get us started. He's got good amount of runs, boys. If you look at that, he's got good amount of runs. Okay, Rachan coming in at 20. Rachan coming at 20 for Akshay. We see any more bids now? Any bids at all? No bids for Akshay, other than the Falcons. I'm going to sell him for 20 to the Falcons. Going once, going twice. Sold Akshay for Falcons. Akshay sold to Falcons.
Fighters 420.
Going good, Vinod, going good. You are there.
We're going to come here for the balances. 2 minutes also. Oh, 2 minutes. I'm going to talk to Abhishek. Abhishek, you can come here.
हाँ भाई कैमरा
तेरे को चढ़ गई लगता है अबे ये पूरा जोए नहीं दिख रहा है इसमें
How do you feel? Tell me, how do you feel not being the costliest player ever in the club anymore? It's taken over now. by Prashant.
Actually, you tell now, by the way, he was sold for what amount last year? You tell that to everyone.
440
Performance
Go in the ground
I remember.
I know that very gone.
pledging already, bro.
They have more pressure than the league games.
because AB was like, hey, 400.
Right, we have the balances here. Falcons are at 1070. Mavericks are at 920. We have the Fighters at 420 and the Dynamos at 350. And we have, can we have the number of players for each team? Please.
Bro, count now.
We'll just get you the number of players as well.
1070. साले के डिपॉजिट करेगा कि खरीद प्लेयर
You actually need to buy some umpire.
Right, so Falcons have 13, you can pick 3 more. Mavericks have 9, you can pick 7 more. Fighters have 13, you can pick 3 minimum more. And Dynamos again, 3 minimum more. So 13, 13, 13 and 9 are the numbers we have. And Falcons have 1070, Mavericks have 920, Fighters have 420 and Dynamos have 350. Thank you. Right, the next player up is Vinayak Vijayan. And we start the bid at 20. He's a medium pacer. He's again a very good fielder, ever improving, great on the field, great guy, great team man. Can we have Vinayak? Bids for Vinayak at 20, please. Bids for Vinayak at 20. Oh, we have Mavericks at 20. Mavericks at 20. Mavericks at 20. I put the hammer up. I'm going to break it down. At 20 for Vinayak. Going once, twice, thrice sold. Mavericks 20, Vinayak. I will say that's a very good buy, Gunners.
मेरे को लगी तो पैसा
Next up is Umesh Khurana, newly married, freshly minted and married Umesh Khurana. He's coming back this month, back in practice, back to Sanford. We have a bid for 20 from Sudhakar.
20 is enough.
30, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180. 180, 180, 180, 180. 180 with the Fighters. 180 with the Fighters. I don't see any other bids around the table. Sold. I want to sell 180 Fighters. Umesh Khurana going once, going twice. Sold. Sold. 180 to the Fighters. Umesh. Sold.
आ गया भाई, आ गया, नेक्स्ट आ गया. Gaurav PN, 200 runs last season. Don't say anything more. Rachan 20. Rachan 20. Gaurav PN, Rachan 20. Do you see any more bids? 30, Vinod 30, 40, Rachan 40. 50, Dynamos, 60 Falcons, 60 Falcons, Gaurav PN, 60 Falcons, 60 Falcons, 70, 80, 90 Dynamos, 100 Falcons, 120 Dynamos, 120 Dynamos.
120 dynamos, 120 dynamos. Hammer is up, hammer is coming down on the count of 3. 140 mavericks, 140 mavericks, 140 mavericks, 140 mavericks. Hammer is up, will come down. 160, 160, 160. 160 dynamos, 160 dynamos, 160 dynamos, 160 dynamos. I see no more wins, I see no more wins. I'll put my hammer down. 160, gone off the end. Dynamos going once, going twice, sold. Sold, 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 sold.
We want Joel.
आएगा वो आएगा
Kunal Dey, Kunal Dey, Kunal Dey, Kunal Dey, Kunal Dey. Handy bowler, handy fielder, fielding coach of Saniford Cricket Club, Kunal Dey.
Fielding coach.
Kunal Dey, Kunal Dey, Kunal Dey. He's a handy batter as well. He got 10 wickets. If he batted up the order, he would have got 100 runs as well. He's a good batter. He's a handy batter. If you bat him up the order. So, bid for 20, bid for 20, bid for 20. Kunal Dey, Kunal Dey, Kunal Dey. Kunal Dey, Kunal Dey. Kunal Dey at 20. Kunal Dey at 20. Kunal Dey at 20. All players will be sold. All players will be sold. There will be no unsold players at the end of this auction. Kunal Dey at 20. We see Kunal Dey bids at 20. Hammer's up. Hammer's going to come down. And we're going to come back to Kunal Dey later on if you don't want to bid it right now. Kunal Dey 20. Going once, going twice. With thrice unsold, it's going to come back. It's going to come back at the end. Come back at the end. Kunal Dey come back at the end. Sanjay Simle, Sanjay Simle, Sanjay Simle, Sanjay Simle, Sanjay Simle, Sanjay Simle, Sanjay Simle. Rachan at 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200, 220, 240, 240 Rachan, 240 Rachan, Sanjay Simle, 240 Rachan. Sanjay Simle, 240. Rachan, Sanjay Simle, 240. 240 Rachan, Sanjay Simle going once. Going twice. Sold, 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 sold,
Joel! Look at the guy with the longest name. Catches देखो भाई. हम देखो ना भाई उसके.
Okay, next up, Joel Jema Kumar Paran. Paran, okay. We have 50 Sudhakar. We have 50 Sudhakar. 60 Falcons. 70, 80, 90, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200, 220, 240, 260, 260, 260, 260 is the Falcons. 260 is the Falcons. 260 is the Falcons. 260 is the Falcons. Going once. Going twice, you're making it really easy for me. 280, 280, 280 Mavericks, 300, 300, 300 Falcons. 340 Falcons, 340 Falcons, 360, 380, 380. 380 Falcons. Going twice, going twice. Falcons 380, Joel, the costliest buy of this auction so far. Joel, well done, Falcons.
He should have bought him, but he at least pumped the price. That's why I'm happy. He should have pumped at least for everything. Rachan is so he's taking advantage. Yeah.
Guys, can you tell me the number of players Falcons have? Okay, next up, Vaibhav Somani. Vaibhav Somani next up. Vaibhav Somani next up. We're looking for a bit of 20. Good bowler, good batter. Sudhakar at 20. Sudhakar at 20. Sudhakar at 20. Vaibhav Somani 20. Hammer is up, hammer will come down. Web Somani 20, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 40, 40, 40, 40, Web Somani 40, 40, 40, 40, 40. 40 Web Somani up. Up, Web Somani Sudhakar 40, going once, going twice. 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, Web Somani 50, 50, 50, Mavericks. Mavericks 50, Web Somani. I'll keep my hammer down. I'll keep my hammer down and I'll carry on with the auction. I'll give it 3 seconds for Sudhakar to think. Sudhakar, are you out? You're out. 50 Web Somani going once, going twice, going thrice to the Mavericks. Next up, Balaji Krishnan. Balaji Krishnan, bowling all-rounder. I don't know why he's bowling all-rounder. He bats as well.
He's all around.
Yeah, like he has 100 runs. You don't get that by being not good at all. Right, so 20 to get us started. Balaji. What players will be sold in this auction? Balaji 20. Do I have any bids? If I don't have any bids, I'll quickly move on. Dynamos with 20, Dynamos with 20, Dynamos with 20, Dynamos with 20. Hammer is up, hammer will come down. 30, Fearless Fighters 30. 40 with the Dynamos, 40 with the Dynamos going once, 50 with the Fighters, 50 with the Fighters going once, 50 with the Fighters going twice, 50 sold Fighters, 50 sold Fighters, 50 Fighters, 50 sold Fighters to Balaji to Fighters, 50. Yeah, Nitish. So Nitish would be the last player of the first round, and then we'll come back to the unsold and sell them. Nitish, 19 wickets, 126 runs. You can call him an all-rounder, without a doubt. 50 to get us started. 50 to get us started. Sudhakar in at 50, Sudhakar in at 50. 60 for the Mavericks. 60 Satish. 70 Sudhakar, 80 Satish. 90 Sudhakar, 100 Satish. 120 Sudhakar, 140 Satish. 140 Satish. 160 Sudhakar, 180 Satish. 180 Satish. I see no more bids now. 200 Falcons. 200 Falcons. 220 Satish. 240 Falcons. 260 Satish. 280 Falcons. 300 Satish. 300 Satish going once.
Pressure is on.
320, 340.
Big bucks pressure.
340, 360, 380 Falcons. Oh, 380 with Mavericks, sorry. 380 with Mavericks. 380 Mavericks going once. Falcons just need one more player. 380 going twice. Last chance now. One good. 380 Mavericks. Nitish. So Mavericks. Nitish.
380, हाँ,
highest bid.
Oh. I'm not bowling short. Target him, Vinod.
After this, we're going to go to the purse. We'll do Bilal first. Bilal starting at 50. 50 for Dynamo 60. I think everybody's going to bid now except for Mavericks. I don't know. 50, 60. Sudhakar at 60. 70. I told you everybody's going to bid. 80 Sudhakar. 80, 90 Dynamos. 100, 120 Sudhakar. 140 Mavericks. 160 Sudhakar. 180 Mavericks. 180 Mavericks. Going once. Going twice. 200 Falcons, 200 Falcons, going once. Going twice, 200, 220 Falcons, 220 Mavericks, sorry, 220 Mavericks. Nobody's bidding anymore. 220 Mavericks, everybody's quiet. I'm going to put up my hammer to make some noise. Going once, 220 Bilal. 240 Falcons, 240 Falcons going once. 260 Mavericks, 260 Mavericks. 260 Mavericks going once. 260 Maverick going twice.
Not available.
280 Falcons going once. 280 Falcons going twice. 300 Mavericks. Plus another 300. This has been a very successful auction.
Weekday not available.
300.
Not available for the whole season.
300 Bilal. 320 Rachan. 320 Falcons going once, going twice. Not sold. 340 Mavericks.
Available on weekend schedule.
340 Mavericks. 360 Falcons.
Peer pressure.
360 Falcons. I don't think Dynamos and Fighters have budget, so 360 going to Falcons. It's almost done now. Sold. 1, 2, 3 Falcons. 360.
Falcons out of question now.
Party का 70.
70. You can buy one or two more.
Russian can buy one more and can bid no more. If he's bought one more, he's out of 20. The rest can bid. Because we have to form a minimum. Yeah, you're done. You can bid for one more.
अरे सत्यार्थी ये नहीं है
Next even.
next season.
Yeah, 470. Jay.
470.
Player?
For what?
470 after losing the game.
12 players.
So we have finished with the first set. We'll come back to the unsold players.
This is unsold.
We'll take a 1 minute break.
Good break.
I don't think it's including you.
पिछले जैसी टीम नहीं है पिछले जैसी टीम नहीं है
அவன் ரொம்ப ஃபீல் பண்றான் நீங்க நடுவில் இருந்தா கொஞ்சம் தாங்கலாம்
I don't have pass, bro. I went to the max, so I cannot do.
அவனுக்கு பாருங்க இப்ப ஸ்ட்ராட்டஜி பண்ணாங்க போர் அடி
Where keeper? चलो जल्दी 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 Okay, boys, I want you to please settle down, settle down, settle down, settle down, settle down, settle down. Please, please settle down, please.
चलो यार क्या हुआ कर लो यार
Captains, can we have you back on your seats, please. Oh, to round off the auction.
हमारा नहीं है
Okay, so Falcons have made their squad of 17, they cannot bid anymore. The Falcons squad is complete. Mavericks can pick at 3 more minimum and they can pick 4 more if they want. Falcons can pick, Fighters can pick 1 more if they want. Dynamos can pick 2 more if they want. But the minimums are, Dynamos have to pick 1 more, Fighters don't need to pick anybody, Falcons are done, and Maverick need to pick 3 more. Right? And the budgets are 470 for Mavericks, 190 for Fighters, and 190 for the Dynamos. Right? Let's get going. Play next up is Kunal Day. Handy batter, handy bowler, excellent fielder as well, fast across the turf. Can we see bids for 20 please? 20 please. 20 with the Mavericks. Going once. You can't bid. Going twice.
come on go home
Sold to the Mavericks. Mavericks sold 20.
Yeah, coaches.
Next up, Tanmay, fast bowler, excellent fielder. Sudhakar at 20.
Rahul and Nikhil.
Sudhakar at 20 for Tanmay. 30 for Mavericks. 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 to the fighters. 100 to the fighters. 120, 140, 160, 180, 180 for Tanmay. 180 for Tanmay going once. 180 for Tanmay going twice. 180 sold. 180 sold. Tanmay 180 to the fighters. Tanmay 180 to the fighters. That completes the fighter squad. That completes the fighter squad. They have exhausted their budget. They are no more in the bidding process. We have 2 teams in the bidding process and 3 more players to go. 4 more players to go. He has 180 and you have whatever you had minus 20. Right? So let's go. Next up, Rahul, batter. Rahul, 20, 30 with the Mavericks. 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 for Rahul, 120, 100, 140, 160, 180, 200 for Rahul, 200 for Rahul, going once.
No more budget left.
Going twice, no more budget left. Going twice, Rahul. Right, we have 2 more players to go. If I'm not wrong, I think we have 2 more players to go. Right, next up is Syed. Spinner, batter, good bowler. He scored a few runs in the practice game, looked really good. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 120. 160, 180.
लग रहा
180
गोल ले लो
180 Vinod. 200. 200. Satish at 200. बताइए. Satish 200. Syed sold.
ब्रो निखिल लिस्ट में है क्या?
One more player left, right?
Two I think.
Nikhil.
Just one.
अरे निखिल है ना
Nikhil is left.
One left only. Okay. So you have to buy, no?
Yeah. No. How many? How many players are you? 50.
Yeah.
But including 60.
No,
Yeah.
same
Same
is okay, no?
17.
so you both can
No,
bid
no, no.
right both of them can bid
You would
right
have only 15 including you, or he would have 15 including himself. Okay? Yeah. Someone one
We'll
player is short.
clarify the numbers.
We have to clarify.
Someone by 17.
Yeah. Rajat bought 17. You are also 17. So one of them is lacking a player.
I think mine is like.
Yeah.
Yours is not
But
16, including you.
in that case, you have more budget than him. No, you can buy Nikhil.
You have to buy Nikhil.
But he can buy now.
His budget is exhausted.
We have a list.
Kick him like
ये अगर इस तरह
kick him.
But how many?
इधर भी है अभी अपन
रैंडम ना होता तो कहीं ना कहीं होता अब भी कहाँ जा रहे हैं
Dynamos.
बढ़िया
रोज में क्या क्या
Most likely 100% वैसे पर ठीक है.
Satish, जल्दी आ.
Bro. पता है कि
जैसे लीटर है इसको इधर और ना 16
No, it's okay. You can still bid.
Do you have 90 left? Make it go for 100 bro.
minimum 60.
But you can increase the price.
Just 10. You can buy as many home.
पैसा बढ़ा कर दो ना भाई.
Okay. Next up, we have Nikhil, the final player in the auction. He registered in the morning. At 50, we will bid to. Others can't bid. It goes to Dynamos. Nikhil for 50 goes to Dynamos. So.
What happened?
Okay, guys, we'll read out the team sheets really fast. We'll read out the squad and then we'll end.
इससे नाम बता था ठीक है पहले
हमारी में आया.
Dynamos सिर्फ नाम बताइए
Just
हो गया.
आपका कट है क्या? हाँ जो बचा वो हमारे पॉइंट में ऐड हो जाएंगे. जिसके पॉइंट बचे हैं वो खाना वाना लाएगा नहीं.
Fighters December. To fight and lose.
Okay, lads. This is the final part of the evening. Captains, please take your seats. Captains, please take your seats. Thank you. Guys, can you please clear out? Thank you. We're going to read out the final squads for our Challengers Trophy 2024. Well done, captains. And well done, the audience. So we're going to read this out now. Falcons, led by Rachan, has Piradish, Nehal, Vijay Dukanam, Kiran Hegde, Kurian, Vasant, Yashwant, Suraj, Jawad, Vaibhav, the captain, Vela, Bhuvanesh, Akshay, Sanjay, Joel and Bilal. Mavericks have Satish, the leader, Sanjeev, Satyaki, Raja, Chitransh, Aditya, Vishal, Atif, Vijay Adhikari, Jash, Vinayak, Vijay Somani, Nitish, Kunal, Rahul, and Syed. The Fearless Fighters, led by Sudhakar, has Srinath, Ravi, Ayan, Jagdeep, Siddharth Gupta, Hemant, Himanshu, Atharva, Adit, Deshpande, Abhishek Pandey, Sharad, Japesh, Prashant, Umesh, Balaji, Tanmay. And finally the Dynamos. The Dynamos led by Variable Vinod has Shubham, Abhishek Nayak, Vinay, Deva, Masum, Siddharth Rastogi, Shubham, Mohammad Apur, Rajesh, Roshan, Vignesh, Guru, Gaurav and Nikhil. Those are the squads for Challengers 2024. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank the organizing committee led by Satish, who's done all the background work, and Rachan, who's done all the organization. We also have Aditya, Japesh, Abhishek and myself helping them out, but they are the leaders in this organization. Well done. And finally, I thank all of you who are in Instagram. Thank you so much. Google Meets, thank you so much. And for public who took time out and came down here. It means a lot to us. Thank you so much. We also want to thank the authorities here in the GA Club, right, who helped us organize this big event. They have been of great support to us on and off the field, and we hope that this partnership continues long. Because we appreciate it. Right? Thank you so much. Have a good night. See you in the matches. Thank you.
Go Mavericks!
This one? 10 videos.